Okay, got the new bulb in place. Maybe you'll see it under the diving board. There it is. See the little glimmer of light? Get over there closer. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to change the light in this spa. You can see it, it's over in the back corner. This one we got to do a little different just because you can't get down there with it to reach it, and it's not always on as long of a cord. So first thing is we're going to drain the hot tub, get all the water out of it, then we'll be able to change the light. Okay, draining the hot tub, we're just going to take the spa suction. That will begin to pull the water out of the hot tub. The spa return is closed. This one has a waterfall, so we want to close that also. And that will start the hot tub draining, no water's filling back up. So that's how you drain it on a traditional swimming pool. If you have one of the newer models, the Jandy or a Pentair that has automated controls, just look for the one that says valves. If it's on a Pentair, it'll have a V for valves, and you can select drain and it will drain the hot tub for you automatically. If you're on a Jandy, you can do the same as well. On the far right hand side of their controllers, there's a button that says pool mode, spa mode, fill and drain. So just select it to drain and it'll automatically turn these valves and drain your hot tub for you. So anyway, try it out. Okay, here we go. We got it drained. Drained down far enough to work on it. One screw holds it in. Pop it out on a little short cord. Okay, we got it out. This one you can see the bulb is actually broken off down inside of the fixture. So we'll have to get that out. So using a pair of needle nose pliers, can get in there. Very gently. Do it by hand. This is made out of some kind of ceramic, and it's pretty brittle. So as you're twisting it out, just be careful you don't break it off the rest of the way. There we go. Got that out. Now we'll just turn this upside down. Clean it out good. Now this one you can actually see down in there. It's kind of rusted. So this fixture may not be any good anymore. If we put the light bulb in it and it doesn't light, then we'll know we need to replace the fixture. This uses a 100 watt, if you can see the numbers there on that bulb, but little halogen light bulb for the Pentair. Now the halogen, you want to be real careful not to touch the glass because it'll leave a smear. You don't want to smudge on it. It'll create a hot spot which will make it go out. These metal little pieces are in there, and that's to in case the light bulb shatters. These metal I don't know what you call them, arms or fingers in there will make contact with the innards of the light bulb, and it will short circuit, which will trip the breaker to prevent anybody from being shocked. So they're just a safety feature. So we got the bulb in. Let's see if it'll light. Okay, we know the light works, so we'll put everything back together. Just clean everything as you go. Don't want to leave any moisture inside the light itself. So make sure it's good and dry. And don't touch the bulb. Okay, put that there. Okay, this one has a specific top. You can see the little notch right here. And that's where that screw needs to go. So when you put it back on, make sure that you set the screw over that one particular hole. On this one, I'll turn it upside down so that I can get it back together. I don't do a lot of these anymore. Most people like the new color lights. So, don't change a lot of light bulbs. Okay, make sure it's snugged up. Good. Then we'll go back into place. Wind the cord. The screw will go here, and there's a little place at the bottom. It's kind of notched out. That's where the little notch will go. So, set my screw at the top, and the little notch is here. I don't know if you can see that right there. That'll go in the little notch here at the bottom. Get the notch in first. If you don't get the notch in the bottom, it'll flop. So you've got to make sure you get that in the notch at the bottom. Okay. Okay, screwed in. We're back in business. Okay, we got it put in. We'll test it and make sure we got everything cleaned up. Put all the tools back. And since I put that new divider in my tool bag, I can make sure everything's in its place. Got my flathead screwdrivers, my 11-in-1 Phillips. These are the 3 nut drivers, and they all have a specific hole they go in. Got my big Phillips, square driver, wire cutters. Everything's in place, so we know we got all the tools. Okay, we're going to come back to the pool. First, we're just going to check the light. So on this one, we're going to flip it on. Pool light and spa light. You can see the pool light is on. We'll double check the spa light is on. So now turn the lights off before you refill it, otherwise you'll break the glass. Just a good tip there. Everything's off. We'll reset our valves back to normal. It goes back to regular pool mode. Gonna set this one for the waterfall. So that will slowly fill it as it runs, and no chance of breaking that new glass, or new light. So we're gonna pull back on. Just double check that it's filling up, and we'll be done. Another job complete. Water should start trickling in here. There we go. Okay, and that'll fill just as the pool runs, so there's no need for me to do anything else. But, okay. All right, guys, we got that one fixed. Pool light, spa light, both changed out. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Share them with your friends. You know the routine, all of that good stuff. And if you have something you want to see, just shoot me a message or leave it in the comments, and we'll see if we can add some more videos that you guys would like. But around pools every day, all day, so anything you want to know, just shoot me a message. Have a great day. May the Lord bless you.